Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather story across North America. A lot of quiet weather at the moment, but there are two areas of low pressure, both to the north, as you can see. One moving its way across Canada, bringing some lake effect rain, some of that quite heavy, and another moving in to the British Columbia, bringing some very wet and very windy weather. But to the south of that, a lot of dry and fine weather, and heat still very much a feature, particularly moving its way up through Texas. That means that these showers, when they come off the Rockies, could turn really quite torrential as they bump into that very warm, humid air. Some wet weather, though, across British Columbia, and some windy weather over the course of Thursday. That's going to gradually move down towards Vancouver. Through Oregon, fine and quiet. The same too for much of California. A few sharp showers across the Rockies, some of those wintry in nature, but a lot of quiet weather, as you can see quite clearly over the next few days. Some rain arriving into Seattle, though, by the time we get into Friday, and that will lower the temperature just a touch. So that wetter weather moving its way across the Great Lakes, pushing its way steadily north and east towards the Labrador coast. South of that, it's fine and quiet. A lot of dry, settled and sunny weather extending all the way down from Tennessee into the Carolinas and for much of Florida. And that's going to continue as we head towards the end of the working week. Temperatures in Miami likely to be as high as 30 degrees. Hello there, an update on Storm Melissa coming up shortly. But first of all, let's start off in South America. Relatively quiet story around at the moment. A large area of high pressure keeping things quiet. This weather front's eased through, a slightly cooler feel across parts of Brazil as it swept through, but not producing that much rain now, and the temperatures will recover over the next few days. Some wetter weather, particularly across that west coast of Colombia, as the rainfall totals start to tot up. Also through Venezuela as well. But a good slice of fine weather for the majority of Brazil. There's that weakening front I was telling you about. Behind it, temperatures perhaps low to mid-20s for one or two spots. Some sharp showers heading towards Buenos Aires over the next few days, and further south it's pretty cold and quite windy at times. So we will continue to see that rain threatening Friday into Saturday into Buenos Aires. Sao Paulo seeing temperatures recover back up to the low 30s as we head into the weekend. Mexico, a lot of fine and dry weather around over the next few days. Costa Rica and Panama seeing some heavier rain. This is Melissa, though, as you can see quite clearly. A very slow-moving system, the track very uncertain, but that means there is going to be a lot of heavy rain associated with that, impacting parts of Jamaica, Cuba, Haiti and the Dominican Republic as well. So Kingston is going to stay very unsettled over the next few days. Keep watching the forecast.